Okay, in this video we're going to fix Thomas the Tank Engine content so it'll work on Trainz 12 and Trainz A New Era. So I have a Sodor breakdown train bogey and it's faulty. Let's see what the errors are. Let's see. The tag image in preview refers to a non-existent file. Okay, to fix that error, right click on it and highlight open for edit. And see, edit config file. Now here where it says thumbnail, highlight all of this and then just press backspace, then Control S, and that gets rid of the thumbnails container so that error stops showing up. And now it works. Let's see, there are other errors too that these train cars tend to have. Let's see, let me look for one. Okay, troublesome truck number 1. It's faulty. Let's see what the errors are. Failed to open compiled texture, shadow, yada yada yada. Texture, shadow, scan low, texture is missing or could not be loaded. The tag category keyword in container train car is empty. Category keyword. Okay, so the texture errors can be fixed by right clicking here, open for edit, and show in Explorer. Now, hold on, let me minimize this. Now, what you're supposed to do is open this folder and create new textures, but this folder is very difficult to find on my computer, so I'm just going to copy everything and paste it somewhere that I can find it easily. So I created this folder called Content Fixing that I created specifically for fixing the stuff in this game. So I'm just going to paste everything in this folder, everything that belongs to that train. Now I'm going to open PevSoft Images to TGA. Now I'm going to click File, Open. Let's see, what did it say? It said something wrong with the shadow. Okay. Okay, so I guess you just open it. Then File, Save As. Then just, yeah, overwrite it. Now I'm going to look for other issues. See if there are any other files that may be faulty. Okay. I think this is the one that said it was faulty. I don't know. Okay. Let's see if that fixed anything. Is there anything that's missing a dot texture file? Low dot texture. Scan dot texture. Okay, this is where it starts getting complicated. Okay, the shadow. Okay, everything seems to be okay, so I'll just copy that and paste it back in the folder it belongs in and overwrite everything. And hopefully that fixed it. Let's see. I have a feeling it's still going to be faulty. Yep, it's still faulty. Why is it faulty? Failed to open compile texture shadow CS skin low. Ugh, I hate when this happens. Okay, so open for edit and show in Explorer. There seems to be something wrong with the actual texture, so I just cannot fix it. Actually, let me look at that error again. Oh, let's see. Hold on. Okay, what was the error? Failed to open compile texture shadow CS skin low. I don't think there's even a texture with that name. Okay, open for error. Let me look for it. CS skin. Okay, well, if that's the case, then I'll just copy it from here. It said it's missing CS skin low from the shadow folder or something like that. So I guess I'll just copy that and put it in the shadow folder and see what that does. I have no idea if this is gonna work because I've never had this error before. Okay, see if that did anything. Still faulty. Why is it faulty? Okay. Oh, it looks like that fixed the error. Now it says the tag category keyword and container train car is empty. Category keyword. Category keyword. Okay, so that's a configuration file issue. So right click, open for edit, and edit config file text. Let's see. What did it say? Category keyword was empty. Where is that? Script, obsolete table, Trainz build, name, category class. Okay. I don't even see category keyword up here. Let's see, description, author, contact website, thumbnails, client. There's nothing in here that says category keyword. Alright, I guess just Control S or something. Now why is it faulty? Attack category keyword and container train car is empty. But I didn't see a category keyword. Let me look for it again. So, what just happened? Did I press the wrong thing? Edit primary script. Just use Notepad. That's what I've been using. Somehow, for some reason, it's suddenly confused of what to use. Wait. Oh, this is the script, isn't it? I opened the wrong file. Oh, I accidentally clicked edit primary script instead of edit config file text. Don't want to edit the script because I have no idea how to talk script. So if I do that, I'm probably going to destroy it somehow. Let's see, Trainz build. Name, username, company, bogey, engine, mask, category class, category region. Category keyword isn't here at all. Engine spec, blue star cover. Start break, extensions, script debugging, camera, string table, mesh table, product table, shadow, queues, conflicts with queues, products, allowed products, conflicts with queues, description, author, contact email, organization, contact website, license, upload to the package, maybe redistribute thumbnails, kind, quid table. Nope, it is not up here at all. There's nothing that says category keyword. Okay, let me try another thing to fix this. This is literally my last hope. So I'm gonna try to import this to Trainz 12 and try to fix it from there because it's usually a lot easier to use that instead. So right click, export to CDV. Troublesome. Just name it what it is so it's easy to find. Okay, now I'm going to open it here. JKL. Where is it? Where are you? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong file. Ugh. Let's see, downloads. Okay, Troubles and Trucks 1. Just overwrite it. It's probably already faulty anyway. Okay, it's faulty here too. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see why it's faulty on this game. The tag category keyword in container train car is empty. Not that there actually was a category keyword to begin with. This error is confusing. Like it's telling me that something is empty, but it's not even there in the first place. So what is the problem? I can't fix the problem because it doesn't exist. Now it says organization is empty. Category, and now it says category keyword is empty, even though it wasn't when I actually looked inside. Whatever. Okay, so I just deleted the category keyword completely. Now I'm saving it. I guess the only way to fix that error is if you have Trainz 12, because I could not fix that on Trainz New Era at all, because I couldn't find the category keyword anywhere in the configuration file. So, yeah, okay, it's still faulty. Why is it faulty now? Let's see. View errors and warnings. The icon 0 in container train car is obsolete. Obsolete icons. The tag blue cup in container. The tag blue star break in the container train car is obsolete. Okay, now I want to get rid of a bunch of tags and the icons that the game doesn't really use anymore. Those were around on like Trainz 2004 or something. I'm not sure why it has to be faulty because these exist. It's just arbitrary to me. Like, can it just ignore these? No, I have to get rid of them. I have to go through the trouble of getting rid of them just so it will appear in the game. Because the game can't ignore the fact that it's using something that's obsolete. Okay, now save it. Let's see. Control M. Sometimes you have to... Okay, now it has faulty dependencies. Because, oh, that's just perfect. Now let's see what dependencies it has that are faulty. Okay, what's faulty? Basic 5-plank wagon texture. What are the errors on this one? The asset uses an obsolete Trainz build. Oh, it's not even faulty. It was a false alarm. Okay. I don't know why, but that happens sometimes. Sometimes it's labeled as faulty, but then when you check it to see what the errors are, there aren't any. Then it just fixes itself. Like that one. What was the one that I was trying to fix earlier? This one? Why does it still have faulty dependencies? What is faulty this time? It's got two other faulty dependencies now. Let's see, what's faulty here? Oh, that's not faulty. Why is it labeled as faulty then? What about this? That just has warnings. Okay, so in theory I should be able to get it to work now. It's taking forever to search. Okay, finally it's not faulty. So if I press Control-Shift-D and put it in, save it as a CDP file and open it in Trainz a New Era, I should be able to use it now. Let's see, import content files. Troublesome truck 1. Submit edits. This is a very exhausting process. Are these faulty for the same reason? Let's see. View, errors, and warnings. Fail to open texture. Okay, texture shadow is missing. Tag, category, keyword, and container train car is empty. Okay, so to fix all these, you need to have Trainz 12 because there's no way to fix those in the category. Category. What was it called? Hold on. There's no way to fix the category keyword is empty error in Trainz a New Era. You have to have Trainz 12 so you can open it in Content Creator Plus and either put something in that container or delete it completely because you can't even find it in the configuration file on this game, which is really frustrating. Okay, here we have the tan branch line coach for a compartment. It has faulty dependencies. The tan coach bogie is faulty. Let's see why it's faulty. The tag, image, and preview refers to a non-existent file. Okay, this error is starting to pop up a lot lately. It's getting on my nerves. To fix it, right-click, open for edit, edit config file text. Okay, let's see. Delete the entire thumbnails container. It's just a nuisance, and I don't really. I do not want to be bothered with it. Then Control S. Okay, now it's faulty. The tag image in 0 refers to a non-existent file. Again, because these people are too lazy to actually put an image in the... Whatever. Just right-click, open for edit. Like, this is starting to get on my nerves. Okay, so delete the entire thumbnail container. Okay. Then submit edits. Okay, now it's not faulty. I don't think I have anything else that's faulty right now well, besides these, but they're missing dependencies. I gotta look for them. So, now, here's something that I was trying to fix earlier that I was not able to fix, sadly. Where's that locomotive? Oh, here we go. LSD-70 Conrail quality, Norfolk Southern Pennsylvania Railroad. If you've had Trainz 2006, you're probably familiar with this locomotive. It's a locomotive that you can actually start up and shut down. Actually, apparently that was already an option on Trainz 2004, but they got rid of it for some reason. Some ridiculous reason. I actually remember on Trainz 2004, if you derailed the locomotives, they would actually shut down. Anyway, these locomotives work on Trainz 12, but on Trainz a New Era, they're faulty. View errors and warning. Let's see. Failed to open compile texture SC70 body number board numberless dot texture. You know, I actually think I have an idea for how to fix that. That I haven't tried yet. Okay. Let's see. Where is it? It's in It's in ST70 body folder, and it's called number board numberless. Okay, so open for edit and show in Explorer. So ST70 body, number board numberless. I think that's this. Well, there appears to be something wrong with the texture because it doesn't show anything. That's an issue. 128. Apparently, whatever this texture is, it has to be 128 by 64. So I'm going to have to make a texture to replace it because apparently the texture itself is blank and doesn't work. So, but first, before I can replace that texture, I need to figure out what the number board on an ST70 looks like when it's empty. I'm probably not going to actually find a blank number board though, because I doubt there is any reason why a train would just not have a number on it. But let's just look at the number board of an ST70. Let's see, number board. Okay. You know what? I'm making this too complicated. All I should have to type is Conrail SD70. Okay, so it looks like the number board is just white. So all I should need is a white texture. So I'm just gonna type white. And hopefully not get anything dirty. Because we all know Google is infamous for that kind of stuff. Anyway, paint color, yada. Well, this is just a blank color white, so this should be fine. So right click, save image as a JPG. I'm so tired I can barely speak English right now. Okay, so I'm gonna name this number board underscore number less .jpg. Then save it. Where did I save it in? I completely I forgot to actually pay attention to where I'm saving it. Why doesn't it load when I click on it? Oh, it was still loading. Okay, so where in the world did I save this in? I probably put it in downloads. Okay, let's see. Nope, it's not here. Did I put it in desktop thumbnails? Did I put it here? Oh, here we go. Okay, so open for edit. I mean, not open for edit. Open with paint. I'm starting to get tired. Resize. Let's just make it 1024 by 1024. Doesn't really matter. It's just a well, the resolution actually does matter. It has to be something that's divisible by a power of 2, I think. Well, it has to be a power of 2. Okay, so it's resize, Control S to save it. If it's not a power of 2, then you're gonna get an error that the texture is not a power of 2, and it's gonna ask you to please resize it. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Okay, first I'm going to delete the original number board numberless texture. Then I'm gonna paste this here. Number board numberless. Okay. Okay. Now primary equals number board numberless dot JPG. Tile equals ST. In a perfect universe, this should fix that one error. Let's see. Submit edits. Just to see if that one error is fixed. It's still faulty, but did I at least fix that one error? Unable to load primary texture, SD70 body, number board, numberless.tja for a texture file, SD70 body, number board, numberless, number board, numberless.texture. Okay, so that's one error that I have to fix. Number board, numberless. Texture SD70 body. Number board, numberless.texture is missing. Ugh, this locomotive is such a headache. Okay, number board, numberless. Okay, where is it? Number board, numberless. Dot texture. Okay, that's the one that I changed to JPG. Number board, numberless. Okay, try this. Okay, JPG. Replace the TGAs with JPG. JPG. Now see what that does. Go to load child image for texture file SD70 body number board numberless dot texture dot text. What do you mean you failed to load the image? Like there's nothing wrong with the image at all. Open for edit and show. Actually, that's not what I was trying to do. I was trying to view errors. View errors. The texture SD70 body number board numberless.jpg failed to load. What do you mean it failed to load? There shouldn't be anything wrong with the picture at all. It's literally just a picture of the color white. You're telling me you couldn't load a picture of the color white? Because that was too difficult of a task? Like, it's specifically trying not to work. Like, it's going out of its way not to work. Like, oh, there shouldn't be anything stopping it from working, and yet it won't work. Open for edit and show and explore. You know what? Let's see what happens if I just use another texture from any other part of the train that's actually already working apparently. So like, let's try aluminum. It's not white, but it's gray, so you know that might mess up the numbers in some way. But let's just use aluminum.tga and see if that fixes the problem. If not, then there's nothing I can think of to fix this. Number board numberless. Right. What was I gonna use? Aluminum.tga. Aluminum.tga. Because that texture, there's nothing wrong with that texture, so maybe if I use that, I shouldn't have any issue. Aluminum.tga. Aluminum.tga. Okay, if this doesn't work, then I'm completely out of ideas for this locomotive. Failed to load child texture file ST70 body numberboard numberless. Numberboard numberless.texture.text. It's the same error no matter what texture I use. View errors and warnings. Unable to load primary texture. Body aluminum.tj for texture file ST70. Body numberboard numberless. Numberboard numberless.texture.text. Okay, this locomotive is just unfixable.